Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable light mode in OneNote on your iPhone. Let's begin. To enable light mode in OneNote on your iPhone, you just have to follow these simple steps, alright? So number one option is, I want you to hover to the Access Theme settings or go to the settings and open the OneNote app on your iPhone. You see, there is an option here on the three dots icon on the top right corner or the upper right corner that says switch background. If you do that, you should be able to gain an access to the white mode right here. See that? Now I'm gonna go back again here to make sure that the app has been in the lighter theme. I'm gonna hover back again. Let's see. Now it takes a little while before it becomes on the light mode. But again, you see, I was able to turn it to a light mode. All right. Now, the idea is light mode often works better in bright settings like, outdoors or well-lit rooms where dark themes may cause screen glare, making the text harder to read. Now, some users like me find it like kind of like it's easier to find that light mode provides a more natural reading experience, especially for long reading or writing sessions. It can be easier on the eyes for daytime use because most of the apps on your iPhone are set to light mode. Keeping OneNote in light mode can maintain a consistent look and feel across your apps, all right? And of course, in some older iPhones with LCD screens, not OLED, all right, light mode may use less battery power because dark themes require more processing to render. You have to keep that in mind. Or if you're using OneNote for drawing, writing, or creating content, light mode can make it easier to see details, especially if you're using the text-heavy notes or diagrams that benefit from a light, clean background. All right. Of course, you can switch to light mode, can enhance your experience, especially if you find it visually more appealing to or functional during the day. And again, to revert back to the dark mode, you just have to go to the upper right corner, click the switch background, all right? And just it takes a little while, really, depending on the responsiveness of your mobile device. But you should be able to get back again to the dark mode without any problem. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in the next one.